Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how you can send your dog data into Matomo Analytics. So there are several ways that you can do it. Most of the time if you are getting a connected device, they give you a backend, and thanks to the backend you can send HTTP request. In the scenario that I'm going to describe here, I won't be able to do it, or at least I already have written tutorial about it, so I'm not going to make it. I'm going to explain another method, which is more like you acquire one of those devices, okay, whatever they are, and they give you some log files, and those log files you would like, in fact, to extract them and then import them within Matomo. So, what is happening is that all of those devices normally should have a log file system, so to say, recording every activity that those machines have. And those log files have a format which is by default not supported by Matomo. Okay, so over here on the Matomo log analytics scripts, you have over here on tests, logs, the list of all the different log formats which are tolerated, accepted by Matomo. So you can see that each of those log formats, which are mostly web hosting companies, are in fact have a specific format. So to say here, for this one, they expect to have the date first, then the time, then the location of the server, then the IP address, and so on and so forth, which is different from the other, for example, common log. Whoops, this one, euro. Interesting downloads. I never opened it up, this one, so let's common log. Okay, so here it's basic. So as you can see here, the format is IP address, then the user ID, then the date, then the type of request, and the page view, then the status of the request, and then the bandwidth that it takes. So almost all formats are, the most common formats are listed over here. And what you can technically do is take one of those formats, probably the simplest one. In my case, I'm taking command vhost, in order to change it, in order to be able afterwards to be able to import it within Matomo. So you extract your log file out of it, and you, let's say, create a script in order to clean those data, or you can even use a spreadsheet for this. And then you're gonna end up in something like this. So in my case here, I put like a dummy website. Okay, doesn't exist. Here I put a dummy IP address. Here I put the name of my dog, Marcus. And then over here, I will basically just copy and paste the date and time of the log file of the connected devices. And then over here, so I put the action that's the dog performed. I'm using PageView here because using events is possible, but require more effort on the format, and I don't have yet this experience. So this is what I did. So I took the standard format of command vhost and I then adapt it in order to get a clean format. The reason why as well I didn't delete some data which were unnecessary, just the bandwidth, such as the status code, is that if I don't have them, I will get some mistake when I import the file. So here over here, as you can see, I'm just gonna execute this request, which will normally import on February the 11th. So February the 11th. So currently I do not have any data. And if I apply this, I should get 3 requests imported successfully. Okay, and here it works. So I'm getting Marcus. I'm getting, in fact, the different activity, eating and resting. For some reason, it didn't take the last one. So I'm just gonna double check what's wrong here. Yeah. strange. Maybe he's expecting like an additional line in order to work. Anyway, just double checking. Everything looks correct to me. And I can give it a try by importing it back. I'm gonna get a double count, unfortunately. Okay. So yeah, for some reason I'm not getting the last one. Okay, so what I will do is that I'm just gonna change a couple of things here. If I'm just saying, and let's import it back. Now I guess I'm gonna add the last one. Okay, strange. So for some reason it's not importing everything. So I guess I need to review my code and see what is going on with this given line. But as you can see, that's one way. Log import is one way that you can import your doc data activity within Matomo. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.